Hi friends, this is Narayana. We are following some strategy in the share market. So what we are going to how we have to get the profits in the share market. Today I am presenting what is the strategy we are following and how to get the profits in the market. So thing is, suppose if you invest in the market, sometimes even 2 years, 3 years also, after 2 to 3 years also, we won't get the profit. Sometimes we will get the loss in sometime 2 3 after 2 3 years also we will be in the loss in the market. That depends on the market situation. If you go for delivery without knowing the technicals and fundamentals, if you invest in the market, definitely will get the loss. And most of our friends, many of the peoples in the share market, we are losing the money. Almost 90% of the peoples who are the retail users like employees, small investors, we are losing the money in the share market. Because why? Because we don't know the strategy. Without strategies, without fundamentals, if you invest in the market, definitely will get the loss. In this situation now, most of the people, they are saying we are in the profits. But why they are in the profit means now market is good condition, good status. Now market is near to all-time high. That's why people, they are saying we are in the profits. But that is not always true. When the market is goes up, 90% of the scripts it will go up. All the scripts, almost 90% of the scripts companies, it will go up. So definitely, irrespective of your technical skills, irrespective of your fundamental skills, you will be in the profit. But you will feel I'm in the profit. But that is not true actually. When market get corrupted, when market get collapsed, the time that situation definitely will get the loss. Depends on our scripts or company, what we bought. So that's why in this strategy, in my strategy, what we are following is, irrespective of market, it goes up or down, whatever it happens, we'll get the profit in this way. So this is mainly we are concentrating on intraday and some and delivery also. But there is some strategy we are following. In this presentation I am giving the what we are following. See, in these technicals, what the technicals we are following in our strategy means, we are considering the moving averages like 10-day moving averages, 20-day moving averages, 100-day moving averages, and 200-day moving averages. We are considering for every script and market. And technical indicators, what are the technical indicators we are following? RSI, Scotch, MACD, and other technical indicators we are following, and we are considering these technical indicators. And pivot points, classic Fibonacci series. So all these pivot points we are considering for the scripts and the market. And we are considering the volatility of the index, volatility of the index, that India VAX will consider. Based on that India VAX will trade in the market. We have to trade. And implied volatility is Q. So this is the VAX and this is the Q. So we have to consider the Q. So people, why you see, sometimes what is happening, market technically is good, script also technically sometimes it will be good, but even though we will get the profit, we will get the loss. Why? Because of skew and implied volatility. These two parameters, because of these two parameters, we will get the loss in that particular script. So how to avoid this one, how to overcome this situation is, we will go. So, and then is market is one of the addiction. For example, smoking, alcohol, these are addictions. Same like market also, it's a kind of addiction. Definitely, yes, it is addiction. So always we will try to invest in the market. Our mind is always try to invest in the market. Even market is bad, but you will try to find the good script and you will invest in the market. So market is I told already, market is coming down means 90% of the scripts, 90% of the companies will come down definitely. Only 10% it will go. But catching the 10% is good script is very difficult. That's why market is a one kind of addiction. Definitely it is an addiction. So how we have to overcome that addiction? How we have to utilize that? How we have to overcome that addiction? How we have to, in market going down, that situation also, how we have to get the profits? That is the mainly we have to follow this one. So we'll follow the market skew and we'll see the market sentiment. What is the sentiment? Based on the sentiment, index sentiment, we have to invest in the. So then strategy, what we are following is neutral strategy and directional strategy. So what is the neutral strategy? For example, market is in next 1 hour, market, if you feel market, it will be in the neutral position, means it won't go upside or downside. That time we'll follow the neutral strategy. Neutral strategy means 50% of the shares will invest in the positive direction, means we will buy, and 50% of the shares we will sell opposite direction. So will be in the neutral strategy. Even market is in the same level, by end of the day or after 1 hour or 2 hours, we'll be in the profit finally, because of scripts, good scripts we'll select. And directional strategy. Directional strategy means, suppose if you feel, depends on the what is the probability of the market will go upside. So based on that ratio, we'll see in the later in this presentation. Directional strategy means, suppose market goes 70% probability to go upside. So 70% of the scripts will put in the positive direction, means we'll buy, and remaining 30% of the shares will sell. So like that we'll balance the scripts, long and short. So 70% will do the long, and short side 30%. If you feel market will come down, then that time same, like 70% selling, 30% buying. So like that we'll so depends on the market probability. So we'll see this probability, what is the probability. So now then, number of scripts companies monitoring. So what are the scripts we are monitoring? How many scripts we are monitoring? What are the scripts we are monitoring? We'll see in the presentation. Only NSE will monitor. We will not monitoring any BSE scripts. We are monitoring only NSE scripts, because in NSE volume will be more compared to BSE, almost 5-6 times volume will be more. So we no need to pay more amount at the time of buying or selling. So we just that value will be more, we will get the script easily. So that's why you are monitoring only NSE. Nearly 180 scripts you are monitoring. So only futures, 180 futures we are monitoring. We are not doing any options. We are not doing any options. Put to call we are not doing, because it is not working properly. I simulated, but it is not working properly. We are not getting the profits in the options. We are doing only features. So types of script, which types of scripts we are trading means index and stack features. Index features and stack features. Index features means bank nifty and nifty. And stack features means total 180 scripts are there, right? This 180 scripts, nearly 180 scripts. Depends on the, every month it will change. Some few scripts, like some 2-3 scripts it will add, sometimes 2-3 script will delete from the list. That depends on the script, how it is performing. So nearly 180 scripts we are trading. We are monitoring, not trading. Trading we will do, how many scripts will take, how many daily. So number of scripts companies will trade daily 10 trades, 10 not trades, it's a companies, 10 scripts. So always we have the open positions of 10. For example, here I will discuss long and short. So in this 10 scripts, for example, probability to go market into upside 70%. For example, if you take out of 70% probability it will go upside, means 7 scripts out of 10 scripts, 7 scripts will bought and 3 scripts will sell. So it will get balance. Okay. Then time interval to monitor the scripts or companies. So you simply trade after leave, if you leave the script, definitely will get the loss. So what are the time intervals we have to monitor the scripts? For intraday, we have to monitor every 1 hour. Every 1 hour, we have to monitor for intraday. So delivery, we have different ways. We have different timings are there. Delivery, we can monitor every 4 hours or 5 hours, or every 4 hours means morning starting 10 a.m. India time and 3 p.m. Closing time, market closing time. Market actually it will close 3:30, but we have to monitor at 3 and we have to take the decision and we have to close the scripts, whatever it is, long or short. And morning 10 a.m. we will take the scripts. So here also I told morning 9:45. Why you have to wait till 9:45 means to reflect the technicals. All these technicals are there, right? These technicals are there, right? To reflect the technicals, it will take 45, half an hour to 45 minutes. All this reflect the technicals. So that's why we will wait half an hour. After half an hour, we will trade. We will start trading. Means 9:45. Actually 9:15 market will start, but we will start first trade 9:45 a.m. of India time, and we will close at 3:10. Suppose if you don't have time and every 1 hour you want to monitor every 4 hours or daily or weekly, means this is also good, but I recommend only intraday. Intraday will recommend, because if you go for delivery, we don't know in night what will happen for market. It may collapse. We don't know. It's not in our control. So if you monitor hourly, we can put the stop loss. We can put the stop loss and we can control. Suppose suddenly market goes down or against us, that whatever we are putting the stop loss, it will control and we can minimize the loss. So always we'll put the 3% of stop loss here. Always if you go long side or short side, always we should put the 3% of stop loss. So we'll calculate the risk analysis here. So this presentation is for intraday only, not for this delivery. We are not delivery also good, but how we have to overcome them if anything happen in the market in the night, overnight. There is no guarantee, right? For market, there is no guarantee. So anytime market may collapse. We don't know. Or it may go against us 5%, 10%. If you consider last 15 years, sometimes market went to 10%. Even some scripts, it came down almost to 80%, 90% in a single day. So that kind of situation, we can't control the market. We can't, heavy loss. Total our property will lose. So that kind of situations also we have to face. So for that one also we have to prepare. That's why I'm recommending go with intraday. Every hour we have to monitor. If any required, if you have to close the market, we have to come out from the market. So that strategy we are following. In this one also I can recommend, but not this strategy we are not following. We have a different strategy for this one. This presentation for intraday only, and you have to monitor the script and change the required scripts hourly if required. If required, you have to change. If this script is good, no need to change. We can continue for another 1 hour or another 2 hours. If required to change the script, that time only you have to change. So when you have to monitor the scripts, every 1 hour means 9:45 we'll start the trading. We'll take the positions, 10 scripts. Some scripts positive side, some script negative side, means short side. And we'll monitor at 11 a.m. and 12 p.m., 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. and 3:30 p.m., 3:10 p.m. we will close the all script irrespective of positive or negative, irrespective of profit or loss. We should close all the scripts companies at the end of the day. At the end of the 3:15 or 3:10, we have to close all the scripts. We should not hold the scripts for next day. We should not carry forward the scripts for next day, either loss or gain. If you carry forward the script, that will become as a delivery. So delivery, we don't know night what will happen. Night US market, you see, US is the big market. It is occupying capital of almost 44% of the world. So if suppose anything happen in the US, any place, suddenly market may collapse. So we don't know what will happen. So that's why we have to close always in the market. We should not keep the money in the market, and we should not get the tension what will happen in the market in the night. So that we should not take that risk. We have to come out from the market every day. Next one is capital amount, how much we require for this way. Okay, so total capital amount required for this way of trading is 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs, depends on the market volatility. So market depends on the market. If there is no volatility in the market, 10 lakhs enough. If market is more volatility, we need 10 to 12 lakhs, 12 to 13 lakhs. For 10 scripts, we need the 10 to 12 lakhs of capitalization we required, and end of the day our 10 lakhs or 12 lakhs whatever it is in our packet. No need to worry about what tomorrow what will happen for the market. So either loss or gain will be out of the market, so no need to worry, no problem. And is it possible to trade with a less amount like 10,000 or 20,000 or 1 lakh? Is it possible to trade less amount? Yes, it is possible. We can trade in the equity market instead of going to futures. We can trade in the equity market, but the probability of the profit is 2 to 4% only in a month. Margin probability is very less compared to futures. Equity profit percentage is very less, because in the futures we will get the exposure. Like no need to pay. For example, Infosys, that is 6 lakhs total of value of the 1 lakh, around 5 to 6 lakhs means some. So if you pay for 6 lakhs value, if you pay just 1 lakh or 1.5 lakhs, we will get the complete lot. So like that, in this equity market, that option is not there. In 3-4 years that option is there. Like brokers, they was giving the exposure of 5 to 10 times, but SEBI is not allowing now to give the exposure of 5 to 10 times. They are giving the only one time. If you have 10 lakhs, if you have 1 lakh amount, you can purchase only 1 lakh. They are not giving any exposure nowadays. So that's why you will go for future market. Future, we just pay 20 to 30% amount only. That margin amount only will pay in the future market. That's why we'll go for futures instead of going to equity market. In equity, our investment, we have to invest more amount, we'll get the less profit. In the futures market, we'll get the more profits, and more loss or gain will be more. So probability of the profit in the strategy is 80%, almost nearly 80%. As per my previous almost 2-3 months I'm observing, we are getting the 80% chances, we are getting the probability profit, and 20% probability for loss. In this 20% probability will get the loss. So total net probability of profit is 80 minus 20 is equal to 60%, irrespective of market direction. This is main important thing, irrespective of market direction. So 80% of probability for profit and 20% for loss equal to 60% of the profit will get, irrespective of market direction. Suppose if you go for delivery, for equity market, if you go for delivery, we can purchase only, you can't sell for the next day. We have to hold the sales for 1 month or 2 months or 1 year or number of years. There is no guarantee after 1 year that script will be positive or negative. Maybe after some time, some scripts, some companies, after 2-3 years also, that will be in the negative only. So that's why in this strategy, we are irrespective of market, we'll get the 60% profit. Yes. And what is the maximum risk in this in a day? So the maximum risk in case of worst case, we'll get the 15% of loss of our investment in a day. But this is the worst case. This is worst case. We'll get the 15% of the loss in a day. Why I'm saying 15% means, suppose all the scripts, 10 scripts, we purchased 10 scripts or 10 companies, you purchased or you sold. In that time, suppose market went against to our estimation, against our probability, suppose it went, then we'll get the 3% loss. 3% we are putting the stop loss, right? 3% into 5 times. We are taking the 5 times of exposure, not exposure. Is in future we'll get that option, we'll get that chance to get the, if suppose if you have 10 lakhs in your account, you can purchase for the script, you can trade for 50 lakhs. So 50 lakhs into 3%, almost 15% will get the loss in a day. That's in a worst case situation. If suppose if you are not monitoring the script every 1 hour or 2 hours, if suppose anything, any announcement happened, big announcement, that time there is a chance to get 15% of loss in your investment. Average daily profit, what is the profit of average daily profit? It would be 0 to 7% of investment. Our investment is, for example, 10 lakhs. So we will get 7% maximum in a day. Depends on, irrespective of market direction. Irrespective of market direction is the important thing in your trading strategy. Main, that depends on the market volatility. So market volatility is more like, if market is deviating as our expected, if it is deviating more, then we'll get a more profit. If it is not deviating, we will not get any profit. If it deviate against us, we'll get the loss. So average loss for the daily average loss, 3% to 3%. In swing market, we'll get the loss. So what is the swing market? In swing market, we'll get the loss of, so 0% to 3%. We'll get the loss. What is the swing market? Swing market means market 1 hour, 2 hours it will go upside, again suddenly market will take direction, come down, or markets 1 hour, 1.5 hour it will come down, then suddenly market will go upside. So that is called a swing market. In that kind of situation, we will get the 3% to maximum 3% we will get the loss. So that also have to consider for our strategy. We have to consider that one. So total net profit for, on an average per month, 10 to 20% will get the profit. Invest on the market volatility. Depends on the in a month of investment. So we'll get the 10 to 20% profit in a month of our investment. That depends on the market volatility. Market depends on the market volatility. If market volatility is more, you get the more profits. In market, there is no volatility in the market, then we'll get the less profit. So 2 to 3 lakhs we'll get every month for investment of 10 to 12 lakhs. For 2 to 3 lakhs we'll get every month 2 to 12 lakhs as per my previous simulation. So this is our simulation only. It is not our investment. This is just for simulation only. I am presenting this one. This is for only simulation, not trading. So this is the, see, for example, now let me go to the sheet. So here this is the sheet for today at 12th February 12th. So February 12th, I took the reports, and at 23:25, this timing is ET, Eastern time, Central time, because I'm using the central script, central tools. So to monitor the scripts, central open tools are there, and I'm using the some background scripts I'm using to calculate all these things. And this is the script name, and this is the last price of the script, and this is the percentage of the change, means as of now at this time this percentage is already moved, that script. And these are the earnings. Earning means next earnings, what the earnings are there, means results, what the results are there. So we are not considering, actually we are doing the technically, we are trading the script. We are not following the fundamental of the script, because this is intraday. Fundamental will not work. Technically we have to go, and fundamental understanding also very difficult. Technically we are following, and this is the time of central time, not the India time, Eastern time. And this is the first H column it is showing. This is the probability of the total market to go upside. So upside it is showing 34% up to go upside, means this is central time, means almost 10.05 a.m. of the India time. At 10 a.m. we got this result, this report we got it. 34.5% up to go upside for next 1 hour, and this is for next 2 hours. In 2 hours means 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. probability to go market 35%, and next 4 hours means next 4 hours. By end of the day, probability go to the market 36%, and next day on the same time means 10. This is 10 a.m. On 12th, right? 12th 10 a.m. of India time. So next day there is a probability got 46%, and this week, complete this week same time on 64%. And this month, this is M column it is showing, this month 77% is there chances to go to market upside. So in my presentation I told you this is the strategy we are following. This is all the moving averages. These are the moving averages. These are all considerations I considered. These are the considered moving averages, technical indicators, all these technical indicators, and pivot points, that is classic and Fibonacci series we considered, and volatility index. I'll show the volatility index and all, and sentiment, index sentiment. See here, see these are the all technical indicators till here. This is the first 1 hour, next 2 hours, next 4 hours, next 4 hours possibility to go market upside, that is 36%, and next 1 day the same timing 46% to go upside, means negative is there, 56% negativity is there in the market. So 64% positive for the next 1 week, and next 1 month it is 77% possibility to go market upside. And these two are the sentiment, market sentiment. See, I told you this is the sentiment, index sentiment. Index sentiment is, so this till here 50% is the break-even point. Break-even point means 50%, above 50%. If value is above 50%, market will go upside. If below 50%, market will come down. Same like in the sentiment wise, these two parameters are sentiment parameters. First parameter is delivery sentiment. Second parameter is the intraday sentiment, current sentiment. This is the current sentiment. Current sentiment means every half an hour or every 1 hour sentiment will get changed. So the delivery sentiment means maybe next 2 days or 3 days or 1 week. This is the sentiment, delivery sentiment. But this is the this break-even point is 85%. If it is above 85%, market will go upside. If below 85%, then market will come down. So here value is for delivery sentiment 63% is there. So it means delivery sentiment is there downside for the next day or tomorrow. Even this value also it is coming 46% for tomorrow. So this is also coming for 63% for coming down. 63%, only 63% is there. It should be, if you want to go to upside, it is a combination of the values. Not, we can't say in one parameter. So all the combinations like VAX, sentiment, the skew value. What is the skew value? What that we'll discuss in the later. So here for the intraday it is 63%. Intraday means current next 1 hour. 63% is there, not a percentage. This is not a percentage. These two values are not a percentage. It is a percentile. You can consider percentile. So percentile means it's some percentile is there. Like if it is a break-even points, for both break-even points are there 85%. If it above 85%, market will go upside. If below 85%, market will come downside. So if in this scenario, chances are there for next 3 hours, till next 1 day, chances are there come down, and even these values are also downside it is showing, these two values intraday and delivery situations. Only positive situation is there, but next week, for the end of this means next week, market will go again upside. 64% is there in the end of the month, means the same day of the next month, market is chances to go upside. 77% are there. So like this, we have considered the total world market, like Japan market, China market, and Europe markets, UK, Japan, Germany, and France, and US market. Total 7 markets I have considered, and I have calculated this values for each market. Most of the markets are upside except China. Remaining all markets are upside. Upside next 1 week or next 1 month. But only thing is intraday. We are doing the intraday. So intraday situation, we are doing intraday for next 1 hour. Situation is correct. So what I have given here in these two columns, I have given the rank. Each script, for example, this is a Bosch and Sun Pharma, Apollo Hospital, Bajaj Auto. Like this, total I have considered total 185 scripts. Sorry, 184. This is one it will come heading, and remove one script. So 184 it will come. 184 scripts I have given that based on the rank. For example, these two are the ranks for the scripts. If rank is less means it is for positive direction, means we can buy all the scripts. If rank is more, if more points are there, means negative is there in the market. So here, see, for example, these scripts are negative side are there. Negative side means next 1 hour, this scripts it will go down. So these are the points. So maximum points will get, maximum points around 540, and minimum points 3 it will come. See, this minimum points it will come 3, maximum points 540 points it will come. So these scripts are, these, for example, the 10 or 15 scripts are there. In next 1 hour or next 2 hours, these scripts it will come down with these points. Means not come down, it will go up. These are the positive scripts, and these last scripts are there, right? With the more rank scripts, it will come down, because these are all the weak scripts are there next 1 hour. How I have to calculate this script, how I have to given this rank means depends on this this moving averages, technical indicator Scotch and MACD and RSI. So these values, in my formula, I have calculated these values and all these technical values, and that script, each script I have calculated the sentiment, So these scripts we have the less sentiment is there, means these first scripts we have more sentiment to go upside. These last scripts are there. Last scripts we have the more sentiment go downside. So that's why what I did now. See, now chances next 1 hour chances is 34%. So nearly 34-35% is there. But already market, see, if you go to NSE side, give that one. See, we traded at 10.5 means morning 10 a.m. we traded. So that time market, see, for example, see, 10 a.m. market, here. See, market it was 21,700. So market came down. After that. So we have not calculated till now. We are 12 a.m. we have to calculate. We'll calculate now. So it came down. So this is the sentiment. So like that, at 10 a.m. so as per this percentage, as per this probability, next 1 hour, what is the probability? Technical. These are the technical indicators. So as per this probability, I bought these scripts, 4 scripts. The probability is nearly 40, right? And probability 40, and market is down from almost from upside, and it is main problem is weekly it is showing weekly indicator it is showing 64%. There is a chance to swing the market. That's why I took only 40%. Instead of taking the 30%, I took the 40%. So 4 script 40% out of 10 means 4 script I bought long side, and 6 scripts. These are plus means, plus one means buying scripts, and these are minus. I have given the minus scripts. Minus means selling side. I sold six scripts negative side. We'll see in the this hour. We'll calculate once again. We'll see. Now we are in zero profit. Total profit is zero. Nothing is there because we just bought. And second script again now time is 11:25, but we'll calculate now. We'll send next presentation. We'll go and we'll see the what is the result for this. So every 1 hour we'll do like this, and end of the day I'll do the result, what is the loss or gain. So we'll see that one. Okay, thank you. We'll meet again next presentation after 1 hour or 1.5 hour. We'll meet again. Thank you.